Are you struggling to build trust in your dropshipping store? You're not alone. Customers often doubt businesses that don't manufacture their products. However, this can change with transparency, authenticity, and smart practices. Building trust is crucial. Research shows 83% of customers won't shop with untrusted brands. When you gain their confidence, you convert visitors to loyal customers. Here are 3 key benefits of building trust. 1. Higher conversion rates lead to more sales. 2. Stronger brand recognition builds customer loyalty. 3. Reduced disputes protect your merchant's status. What sets you apart? Unmatched transparency in communication and reliable customer service. When you keep customers informed, you create lasting relationships. Don't wait. Start building trust today. Visit our site to learn proven techniques for transforming skepticism into loyalty.